Hey, welcome. My name is Abid Mohammed. I'm with QuirkLogic today. I am working at InfoComm 2019. I'm going to show you the QuirkLogic Quill today. I'm going to talk about remote collaboration. Let me turn the page. Remote collaboration, put a meeting agenda together, and to talk about today is collaboration on the Quill using Quill Connect, which is a mobile device, and I'll show you how you can interact with your audience anywhere in the world. Teams around the world can communicate and collaborate in real time, and I'll show you how you have the ability to share content in real-time devices as well. So what I did was I put together a quick SWOT analysis, SWOT being strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And I could be here in Florida working on this project. I could be adding in a topic stating that the device, you have the ability to collaborate. And as I'm writing it, I also have a colleague who's actually in probably another office. They can actually see the information there as well. So you can actually zoom in, you can grab a pen, and you can actually write down information. And as you're writing down information, you'll see it'll actually populate on the actual Quill. So I could be in 2 locations anywhere in the world, and I can collaborate with my teams remotely. You also have the ability on the device to actually see it in full color. And you can actually see how it is, how it expresses itself, and you can actually mark up the device on the device itself, and you can actually collaborate with your teams in real time. And you can actually see how it'll actually document information. So if you're reviewing information, you'll see how they work together in real time anywhere in the world. So I could be in an airport, a university, anywhere, and in a hospital, and connect with my teams to work together in real-time collaboration. My name is Abid Mohammed with QuirkLogic here at InfoComm. You can reach us at www.quirklogic.com.